Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the haul that starts Sunday 2/11, but you're going to be seeing that some of the deals are not included because I did do my haul on the early activation. My total would have been $122, but I got everything free, so just keep on watching so you can see how I did it. Maybelline's deal is buy 2 and get 5 ECB. I did want to purchase the Temptation mascara, and since I did have a CRT from last week, deducting 2 off any Maybelline, this is what I did. I purchased one of the single eyeshadow for $4.19 and the mascara for $9.49. My total was $13.68, but I used 2 coupons. One deducting $3, the other one deducting $1, and the CRT deducting $2, so I paid $7.68. I got back 5 ECB, making it a total of $2.68 or just $1.34 each. Another idea is the COVERGIRL. If you spend $15, you get 7 ECB. So what I did was I purchased one item that is also new that costs $11.99, and I purchased the brow for $4.79, so that gave me a total to $16.78. So I did pass the $15. I used one of the manufacturer coupon, deducting 3 off 2, and also the CRT deducting 3 off 12, so I paid $10.78, and I got back a 7 ECB. But I also submitted to checkout 51, and it gave me $2 for each item, so in total they gave me back 4, making it a total of just free and 22 cents moneymaker. This deal is really a good deal. Just make sure that you do buy the inserts that are expected to come out this Sunday, deducting 4 off 1. So if you purchase $15 worth, you will get a $5 ECB. So what I did, I purchased 3 of the Loreal hair mask for $5.99, and the total came out to $17.97, but I used 3 of those 4 off coupons, and I also had a CRT that deducted 3 off 10. My total was $2.97, but I got back 5 ECB. And I also submitted to Ibotta, and it gave me back $1.25 because they had any grocery receipt. So I got back $1.25, making this item free. The next deal is purchase $20 worth of selected items, and you will get back $7 ECB. So what I did was I purchased 3 of the Persil. Most of them were out in the store, so I purchased 3 for $4.94, and 1 of the Got2b glue gel, styling glue. So my total came out to $20.81. I used 1 of the glue that is on this Sunday's paper, and $3 deducted from Persil that expires this Saturday, so I paid $9.81. I got back 7 ECB, and I got that activated on my savings start, so my total came out to 81 cents. So before special price and coupons, my total would have been $122.64. After all the coupons, that includes the CRT that I did receive, it deducted $87.15, and I got back in ECBs $34, and in cash back, that includes checkout 51, Ibotta, and Saving Star, it was $8.50. So my total came out to just free and $7.01 moneymaker. In the total, it does include 6 off 30 that I received in one of the emails, and I did this in 3 transactions since I did have to go to another store because the Persils were out, and today was the last day that I will be able to use the coupon. So as you can see, a small haul is totally worth it cutting coupons, and I do advise that you do get this Sunday's paper because there's some good coupons there as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.